little fox.
一声一声汉语一声啊啊，二声二声汉语二声啊啊，三声三声汉语三声啊啊，四声四声汉语四声啊啊，一声啊啊啊，二声啊啊啊，三声啊啊啊，四声啊啊啊，这是汉语声调歌，这是汉语声调歌。
Introduction to Tones 1. The first tone. Ah, ah. Do you remember when we learned that Chinese is a tonal language? If we change the tone of a syllable, the meaning changes too. This is the first tone. When we go to the dentist, we say, ah, and open our mouth wide, right? That is the sound for the first tone. It is a high, flat sound. Ah, ah. Now listen again and repeat after me. Ah. Ah. Listen and repeat the tones. Let's practice with some words. Ma, ma. Ba, ba. Introduction to Tones 2. The second tone. Ah, ah. This is the second tone. When we ask a question, we raise our voice, right? That is the sound for the second tone. It starts normal and then rises up. Ah, ah. I'll say it again, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Ah, ah. Listen and repeat the tones. Let's practice with some words. Ma, ma. Ba, ba. Introduction to Tones 3. The third tone. Ah, ah. This is the third tone. When we figure out an answer to a question, we say, aha. Our chin goes down, and then it comes back up when we make this sound. That is the sound for the third tone. It starts normal, and then goes low, and then rises up again. Ah, ah. Now, listen again and repeat after me. Ah, ah. Listen and repeat the tones. Let's practice with some words.
马，马，把，把。
Introduction to Tones 4. The fourth tone.
Ah, ah.
This is the fourth tone. When we are surprised, we say, ah. That is the sound for the fourth tone. It starts high and drops all the way down.
Ah, ah.
One more time. I'll say it again, and you can repeat after me.
Ah, ah.
Listen and repeat the tones. Let's practice with some words.
Ma, ma. Ba, ba.
Introduction to Tones 5. The neutral tone.
Ah, ah.
This is the neutral tone. The neutral tone is a short and light sound. It is shorter than the other tones. Your voice should be gentle, with no rising or falling.
Ah, ah.
Listen and repeat the tones. Let's practice with some words.
Mama, mama.爸爸，爸爸。姐姐，姐姐。弟弟，弟弟。